And off we go for this matchup between the defending champions who are looking to defend their title and who will try to do better than hpfa later in the evening kickoff. Shot from Wung Sing, and they have the first goal here, but it is flagged offside by the assistant oriental. Wonderful football from the defending champions, and they are 2-0 up. Goalkeeper. Risking it, he has lost the ball, and Somishan makes it 3. A kick for Somishan, and he has taken it with open arms. Goes back to Shunling. Shun. Still with Shun. And ball in. The back post is Somishan who's looking for his hat-trick. It turned out as a cross. Ball across by Shun. And in by Wung Sing. 4-0. Pass it instead. Good block in. Wung Sing. 5-0 to the defending champions. Every shot they take, it is sending up at the back of the net. Sing, good fall through. Somishan looking for a hat-trick, and he gets his hat-trick, Somishan, and it is 6-0. Yet, Somishan looking for his fourth, and Somishan finds his fourth, and it is 7-0 now to the defending champions. Will play later in the afternoon, and they want to get their goal defense as high up as possible. Bias built it, and Somyo has scored, just as we were talking about how hpfa players were being missed on that occasion. Samson, and Yum once again, and in by Yet. In precision there from the oriental players. They want an offside flag. It is a job well done for hpfa, however, maybe they will be a little disappointed that they have not been able to find a better net on more occasions in the second half. It was a faultless first half, however the second half they have been a little bit sloppy in finishing. They still have time to make it 10 here. Yet Tangba from Singh, snapshot, good save from Topmia to deny from Singh. Pass, nobody at the back post. Mangcha picks it up, plays it into Kam Kin Sang, and the referee brings an end to the game here as the defending champions have won 9-0 here against rock bottom side Oriental.